Which large mountain is famous for having a diamond shape? Mount Matterhorn. Which tiny country is located near the French Riviera? Monaco. What is a triangle with two equal sides called? Isosceles. The Taj Mahal building is located in which country? India. Which bone is commonly known as the collarbone? Clavicle. Which country is famous for large exports of natural gas? Russia. The main ingredient of pasta originally comes from which country? China. Which type of organism has a very simple nervous system called a nerve net? Jellyfish. Which country is famous for the dish called paella? Spain. What is the total sum of 9 plus 11? 20. The Big Ben clock tower is located in which European city? London. How many hours are there in 3 full days? 72. Which animal is known for having a distinctive pouch for carrying its young? Kangaroo. Which country is the third largest in total land area? United States. Which ocean is located between the continents of North and South America and Europe and Africa? Atlantic. What is the official currency of the country of South Korea? Won. What does the Spanish word hola translate to in English? Hello. Which organ is responsible for the sense of hearing? Ear. Which famous island is known for its unique large stone statues called moai? Easter Island. Which animal is known to hibernate for the entire winter season? Bear. Which food group is the best source of quick energy for the body? Grains. What is the main language spoken in the country of Mexico? Spanish. Which famous artist painted the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel? Michelangelo. Which animal group is characterized by laying eggs in water and breathing with gills when young? Amphibians. Which part of the body contains the smallest bone? Ear. How many eyes does a typical housefly have? 5. Which planet is known for having a great red spot that is a huge storm? Jupiter. What is the first month of the year? January. Which of these countries is located on the continent of South America? Brazil. Which small creature is famous for its hard, protective shell? Tortoise. Which vitamin is necessary for good night vision? Vitamin A. What is the capital city of the country of Portugal? Lisbon. What is the main element that makes up the air we breathe? Nitrogen. Which large ocean animal is known for its distinct black and white coloring? Orca. Which city is the capital city of the country of Italy? Rome. Which organ in the human body produces bile to help with digestion? Liver. What raw material is used to make cement? Limestone. Which long river flows through the country of Egypt? Nile. What is the plural form of the word tooth? Teeth. Which process describes the change of gas into liquid? Condensation. How many years are in 2 full centuries? 200. Which animal is the national symbol of the United States? Bald eagle. What is the main language spoken in the country of Afghanistan? Dari. Which continent is the second smallest by total area? Europe. Which common backyard bird is known for its bright red chest? Robin. If a box has 5 red and 5 blue balls, what is the total number of balls? 10. What is a shape with 4 equal sides and 4 right angles called? Square. Which organ filters waste from the blood and produces urine? Kidney. How many players are on the field for one team in a soccer match? 11. What is the main ingredient used to make classic hummus? Chickpeas. Which bird is famous for its ability to mimic human speech? Parrot. How many zeros are in the number 1 billion? 9. Which insect is famous for making its own silk cocoon? Silkworm. What is the capital city of the country of Argentina? Buenos Aires. Which essential nutrient helps build and repair muscles? Protein. Which planet is known for having a system of icy, dark, and faint rings? Neptune. On which continent is the country of Venezuela located? South America. What is the capital city of the country of Denmark? Copenhagen. What is the body's main source of energy during high-intensity exercise? Glucose. What percentage of the Earth's surface is covered by water? – 71%. How many days are in the month of March? 31. Which part of the plant absorbs sunlight to make food? Leaves. Which large, mostly dry continent is also a country? Australia. Which celestial object is known for having a visible tail when near the sun? Comet. Which country is credited with inventing the game of golf? Scotland. In which century did the year 1900 fall? 19th. Which instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressure? Barometer. What is the most populated city in Canada? Toronto. On which continent is the country of Peru located? South America. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Mercury. The world's largest ice cap is found on which island or landmass? Greenland. A millennium is equal to how many years? 1,000 years. What is the main function of the stomach in the digestive system? Mixes food with acid. What connects muscles to bones in the human body? Tendons. What capital city is the country of Ireland located? Dublin. The Mediterranean Sea is connected to which larger ocean? Atlantic Ocean. On which continent is the country of Sudan located? Africa. What is the primary source of light and heat for Earth? The sun. Which element is the most abundant in the entire universe? Hydrogen. What is the process of liquid turning into solid called? Freezing. Which company is famous for producing the iPhone? Apple. Who is the famous inventor who developed the light bulb? Thomas Edison. Which animal is known for its ability to regrow lost body parts? Starfish. Hydrophobia refers to the fear of what? Water. Which writing tool uses liquid ink held in a refillable or disposable container? Pen. Which organ in the body controls balance and coordination? Cerebellum. How many straight edges does a rectangular prism have? 12. Which color is the result of mixing red and blue primary colors? Purple. What is the official currency used in the country of Turkey? Lira. Which gas makes up about 21% of Earth's atmosphere and is essential for breathing? Oxygen. How many stripes are there on the flag of the United States? 13. What is the main language spoken in the country of Germany? German. What is the scientific study of the Earth, including its physical structure and substances, called? Geology. What do bees use to produce honey inside the hive? Nectar. What is the capital city of the country of Thailand? Bangkok. In which city is the famous landmark called the Statue of David located? Florence. The region of Micronesia is part of which larger group of islands? Oceania. Who proposed the theory of relativity? Albert Einstein. Which planet is closest in size to the Earth? Venus. What is the official currency used in the country of China? Yuan. How many questions did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Keep your brain active and check out our next quiz video right now.